Okay, so darling, you were saying that only Oscar was having the hiccups. Now, Luke is having the hiccups. It's okay. It's alright, darling. It's a weird feeling, yeah? But it's not a bad thing. You're not gonna have like chronic hiccups for life, I promise you. Very few people actually have that issue. Okay, you'll be fine. It's a small thing. You'll be okay, darling. It's okay. It's funny, I know. Strange, right? You feel like your whole body is just jumping. Something is in your belly and jumping. It's not a problem. You're fine. It's okay, my love. It's okay. Relax. Relax. Oh, you're so cute. It's okay, darling. It's okay. Oh, yeah, it's okay. It's alright, darling. It's just a hiccup. Okay? Yeah. Ah. And a yawn. Try and rest, okay? He's being fed some milk right now, which is nice. And then he can rest. I already had my kangaroo time with Oscar today because I had Luke yesterday. And so I just let my little darling sleep. And Luke, you know what? You can say happy birthday to Mark. Happy birthday, Uncle Mark. Hick, hick. Oh, sweetheart.